crazy surgery videos. My good friend Tony Jung has talked a lot about this, and these are some crazy Asian videos that really have amazingly different and unique in surgery incisions, some across the forehead, some around the forehead. And I just want to amplify on what is going on here. And like, you're taking patients and making them look very, very different. And they look not only different, but they look like someone else. And the incisions and how they've done it is very different. And then, is it even believable? Like, this is a before and after on a patient, 2 hours after the operation. Come on, 2 hours? And it doesn't even look like the same person. So how do you make sense of this? It just doesn't make any sense. And Tony talks about this, and he talks a lot about, you know, you're taking somebody who's a pretty young woman, and then you do something like this. I mean, it looks totally, you know, not right. And you're right. Like, this lady can't even, I don't know if she can blink. I mean, I think the take-home message here that I want to emphasize, like Tony Jung says, it's really kind of insane. I mean, you're doing stuff that doesn't look normal and actually can be injurious to the patient. And so the take-home message here is that, you know, don't do crazy stuff like Tony talks about, and do things that look good and that are not out of the ordinary. And you know, changing people so much and that much really is not really normal. And you shouldn't do things that make people look abnormal or weird. And I just want to do this as a public service announcement, saying, you know, when you see videos like this, and occasionally I'll have patients come in and I go say, how is this possible? Like 2 hours after surgery, you look normal. How about 2 weeks or 3 weeks? Or, you know, you just can't do stuff like this. And the problem with social media and now with AI is that you can make anybody or anything look good or bad, but you don't even know if it's real. So I would just say, you know before you go, do your homework, select a plastic surgeon that's board certified, that does this procedure all the time, whether it's a rhinoplasty or a face or a breast augmentation, and don't do crazy stuff. And you see all these videos from around the world, and many of them, you know, they may not necessarily be real. And just because you can does not mean you should. And not only in the surgery, but the incisions, and then saying the recovery is like magic, it's just not possible. It's just not possible. I mean, you know, because just remember, plastic surgery is real surgery done by real plastic surgeons with real advantages and real disadvantages and real complications. So know before you go. And, you know, the most important thing we do as plastic surgeons is that we want to make sure that we do things that have great outcomes, that are safe and reproducible. So know before you go. And, you know, really, I think what Tony's trying to say is exactly that, is don't do crazy stuff, and find someone that actually will do things that will actually help you, not harm you. Give me your thoughts, give me your comments. I know you see a lot of these all around the internet, especially on Instagram and TikTok. And, you know, it's kind of disconcerting. So, till next time, thank you for subscribing to Rohrich Knows Podcast. I really appreciate all of the subscribers I've had, and stay safe out there.